Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think we are very likely in an ABC of wave Y. I think we need to complete this 3 waves up for W, 3 waves down for X, and 3 waves up for the wave Y, which I still think needs to take it up beyond these highs to complete the wave C of wave Y. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a correction. I think this right here is a 1. I still think this looks like a wave 2. I still think this is actually now already in an uptrend, and I think we need to go up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still looking at this as possibly a complete pattern. This 5 waves up, I think, is a 1. I think this is a very good example of a nice ABC correction. Wave 2, nice Fibonacci bounce at the 78.6. I think there's a very good likelihood this will make a higher low, and just keep on trending up over the coming weeks and days. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up right here. I am definitely looking at this move down as possibly an ABC. I'm definitely looking at these Fibonacci levels for possibly the end of a correction and an entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour, this is where you can kind of break it down a little bit because first of all, I think this right here is a wave A. I would always label it as a wave A or a wave 1 just so that way I don't get surprised by about either scenario. I think this is very clearly 3 waves up, either wave B or a wave 2. Then I think we are very likely now probably trending down for either a wave C or a wave 3. If it is a wave C, then it's probably likely to go to at least a 38, maybe even the 50%. Make like that 3, 4, 5 shape, make a double bottom, break a structure, entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it's really not an ABC, but it really is a 1, 2, 3, then you would probably just see it bounce from fib levels, never get a break of structure, and just keep on trending down. Which is why I always say if you're trading the 1 hour time frame and below, you should be looking for shorts. If not, then you should actually be patiently waiting for the long. If you get a Fibonacci bounce, a break of structure at one of these fib levels, then definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. If you're more of a swing trader, then you're probably waiting for the end of this correction to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.